Twice sold to Lisa. $5.
Here, do this next.
What's in
Open
it?
it up. It's got back.
Boy, you people are hard to get any money out of.
Wait up here.
Hey.
No. You can sit here by Bubby, or you can sit right here.
All right.
Charlie.
We got a lunch box here with all kinds of frillies in it.
It's spa day.
Spa day. $2 on this here.
Hold some of the stuff out.
Well, I can if you hold it out.
It's got a sponge, another sponge, some lotion, moisturizer,
Got $2 on it. Buy it. Want a bid on it?
and body shampoo, body cream.
$2? Yeah. Nobody else? Boy, you're a bunch of people. I ain't gonna make no living like this. $2 sold to Susan. All right, we got a.
Oh, it's a blanket.
It's a blanket. Here, give me one end of it.
I can do that.
Hey, Joe, you can wear this when you get out of the shower. What's the bid on this blanket or a little soap thing?
All right, give it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
What's my bid on that? $2. $1. You got $1? I mean, $5. Oh, you got $5. $5 on it. $5 once. Sold. Tommy for $5.
Yeah.
We gotta feed that thing whenever she's gone.
It'll die. It'll die.
I know.
What's that?
She wants to buy the fish tank.
Oh.
They could have delicious. She's the one that's lobbying.
All right. That's a 12-volt heated glove liner.
Therefore, you better send the guys or the Get your hands warm and you time your motorcycle.
For snowmobile, motorcycle.
Hey, Richard, this will work for you. Keep your hands warm when you're on a bike for 3 years. You haven't rode in 3 years? 3 years. This
Well,
will
a
keep
bit
your
on-
hands warm when you're riding a bike.
We're out there running your lawnmower, mowing your grass in the wintertime.
$5.
Got $5 on it?
$6.
Who's $6?
Oh,
Oh,
I couldn't hear who said it either. All right, we got $6.
$6 on Brian. Got $6.
All right, 7 it is.
7?
I'll donate the dollar if you.
I gotta look, I ain't allowed to bid no more.
What we got on 7?
All right, Joseph did 7. Do you want it? You want to go par?
No.
7
Sold for $7.
Ball standing up here.
$7.
$7.
Oh, goodness. What are you gonna bid on? Why? Hey, don't roll your eyes. Don't look at him when he's bidding.
Well, I didn't know. I wasn't thinking.
Been nice since
All right.
I got a pile of food.
Tell Joseph. Joseph, he'll give you $7 for that.
I said 6. No.
Oh, 6.
Here, you can buy this in the room, this thing, and I think it's a mirror you can look at yourself.
Keep your coffee.
Oh.
It's a candle warmer.
Yeah, it's a
It's something
candle
like
warmer.
Mama used to use for coffee.
One bit on this is sensible aroma.
It's a candle warmer.
Well, it's aroma too, you know, you smell good. If you don't smell good, hey Pam, before you
I'll
leave,
bid a quarter in honor of Aunt Rita.
before we leave the house, take a little bit of this and put it under your arm. Put a little bit under your arm, make you smell good.
That'll burn you. That'll burn you if you put it.
Make your house smell.
Well, make you smell good.
It's not made for that. Hey, smell like burnt hair and skin.
We got a quarter on it. Who'll give me 50 cents?
$1.
We got $1 on it. $1.
I bet you'd warm up your coffee.
We got $1 on it. Rita, hey,
Aunt Rita's not here.
Rita's out. You're out bid. I know. $1 on this. $1 once. Sold. What you want? Now this is pretty to put on your man.
Can I do a tab? I want to wait for the whole script.
Yeah. Aaron wants to have a running tab. Aaron wants to have a running tab.
I'll keep track of it here.
All right.
How much was his?
He hasn't done it
Oh,
yet.
okay.
All right. What we bid on this? Oh, $1 on it. $5. $5, Lisa.
I do 20.
Gets everybody Tisha's head.
And you got 20.
Is it turned the right way?
Yeah. It's up to 360, so I can get you guys one too. Because up there I can't get you
Is
guys.
it facing this way?
It's facing every way.
21.
It gets everybody.
It gets everybody. So this way it's mainly going that way. It's not looking at you.
Back here, it's probably.
Yeah, it's looking mainly this way.
You got
Pam said 40.
Pam said 40.
Yeah.
Pam, you want that for 40?
Okay, 40.
Sold. It's sold, Pam.
Who want to bid on it?
Oh, Lisa's been on it. Do you want it? No.
I was doing my best. I don't have stuff around, but I.
You did.
Let me, I'm getting it. I gotta run and get it out.
No, you can't leave and go get, no. You gotta, and then bring them back.
Oh, yeah. It's not on camera, you
It
know.
does look like it should have blown it up.
Where'd you set that camera at?
It's pretty. He's spinning it on that.
Oh,
I think
all right.
fish tank might be next.
It's nice.
All right. We got a knife set. You men walk with these quiet to get around the knives.
You might have to sharpen them.
You might have to sharpen them. A little bit on this knife. It's a holder.
$1.
Wolfgang pack, it says.
$1.
$1?
$2.